In this video we're going to make another lampshade using the Loft feature, Fusion 360, but this time it's going to be for a bedside cabinet lamp where the shade needs to come down lower than the actual body and stand of the lamp. So it needs to come down over the side of the shaft coming off the base. Okay, Fusion 360. Start as normal. I'm going to create the base or the bottom section, polygon, inscribed. This is for the bottom part. We'll go 90, tab, and we'll go for an octagon. Finish sketch. Need to construct an offset plane. We'll go up, let's say 200, enter. We'll go home so we can see it. Create another sketch off there and do the top of the lamp. 120. Finish sketch. Loft. 1, 2. See you later. Okay. Now we're going to split the body so we can create the construction part of where it's going to attach. Offset plane. Lift that up. We'll say 60. Just going to turn off the body so I can stretch this out to make it bigger so I can work with it. When it's green you can stretch it. Turn the body back on. Modify. Split the body. Body to split. Splitting tool. Okay, now we've got that split. Construct an offset plane with this one here. We'll go up 10. Okay. Modify split body. Select the body. Splitting tool. Now we've got two splits, so we'll turn off that construction. Now we've got two bodies. Actually, we've got three bodies. So that's the middle one, which we're going to leave solid. So we're going to shell these out. Now we have to select two faces, so it's a shell. 3. So that's, see, right through. Turn on that body, turn that body off. Shell, one face, two faces, 3, enter. Turn all the bodies back on. Now we have to make a hole in that one. So turn these bodies off. Create another sketch. We're going to make the hole for the B22. 29 mils. If we've got a light bulb here and we have the solid across there, no light's going to come through down to the bottom section. So I'm going to introduce some holes. So construction, circle, to go about halfway, 95, that'll do. Off construction, create a hole, a circle, .40 looks good. We're going to change that 95 to 90. Right, I'm going to do a circular pattern. Circular pattern, select the object, 1, select the center point, Zoom in. Change that to 5. Looks good. That should provide a lot of light to go through. Okay. Finish sketch. Go home. Press pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. -5. I'll make it 6 actually. Oh, that was 10. Edit feature. -10. Fantastic. Turn the bodies back on. Go home. And there we have it. So when that 3D prints, obviously be one piece. But we've got the hole there for the lamp fitting, the light fitting, and then we've got holes here so that light can shine through from this top section down to the bottom section. Very successful. Home. Excellent. Thank you. Catch you next time.